So, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are starting off the academic seminar on education in all-inclusive universal spirituality, scheduled to be held during 14th to 19th in collaboration with Spiritual Heritage Education Network Canada. And to mark the beginning, we would like to light up the lamp. May I request all the honorable guests on the dais to be kind to come forward and light the lamp. Now we are blessed to have an all religions prayer. May I request one by one Professor Jyoti Singh Ji, please be kind to come forward.
Most honorable elite class gathered here, and on the dais I see great scholars are sitting, and I can very well say that the topic which has been selected by the organizers, that is not only academic and that is very useful for everybody. So there are 2-3 lines from Guru Granth. I am asked to recite them. There is one hymn of Bhakt Namdev of Maharashtra in the Guru Granth. Shabe ghat Ram bole, Rama bole, Ram bina ko bole re, ekal mati kunjar cheeti, bhajan hai bahu nana re. Shabe ghat Ram bole, Rama bole, Ram bina ko bole.
Now may I request Reverend Father K.V. Matthew.
Disciples of Jesus, the Lord, asked the teacher, teach us to pray. I am going to recite that prayer in English for the sake of the majority here. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be your name. Thy kingdom come. Thy will be done on earth as in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread. Forgive our trespasses as we forgive the trespasses to others. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For yours is the kingdom, the power, and the glory, forever and ever.
Now Professor Muhammad Sanaullah.
Good morning to all. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulil kareem amma ba'd. Once the Archangel Gabriel came to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam so that he explains to him the core of spirituality that is known as ihsan. What is spirituality in Islam? So he said, Al-ihsanu an ta'budallaha ka'annaka tarahu illam takun tarahu fa innahu yarak. Al-ihsanu an ta'budallaha ka'annaka tarah. True spirituality is that you are worshipping God as if you are seeing Him. فَإِن لَمْ تَكُنْ تَرَاهُ. If you are not able to see Him, فَإِنَّهُ يَرَاكَ. But He sees you in all of your circumstances. This is the real core of true spirituality in Islam. And this is reflected in the very Quranic verse قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. Thank you.
Now may I request Brahmacharini Devaki.
ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैः स्तुष्टुवागंसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहिदं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्ताक्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्ददातु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः.
Now may I invite our Honorable Director Dr. Dilip Kumar Rana ji to welcome the gathering.
हरि ओम. कस्तूरितिलकं ललाटपटले वक्षस्थले कौस्तुभं नासाग्रे वरमौक्तिकं करतले वेणुः करे कङ्कणं सर्वाङ्गे हरिचन्दनं सुललितं कण्ठे च मुक्तावली गोपस्त्री परिवेष्टितो विजयते गोपालचूडामणिः. समुपस्थिता अमृतस्य पुत्रा विद्वांसः सादरं नमो नमः. पवित्रेऽस्मिन् स्थाने सर्वेषां हार्दं स्वागतम् अभिवादनं च. His Holiness Swami Advayanand Ji, President CIF, respected Professor N.P. Unni, Chairman CIF Shodh Samsthan, respected Dr. Shivji Talwar Ji, President SAIN, respected great teacher Professor B.N. Jha Ji, respected Registrar Sir, Rashtriya Sanskrit Sansthan, Dr. Vinod Kumar Singh Ji, august gathering, dear my colleagues, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen. In this auspicious month of Kartika and Sharad Ritu, it is my great pleasure to extend a warm welcome and namaskar to all who came from different parts of India and abroad at this holy birthplace of great master of Advaita philosophy, Jagadguru Adi Shankaracharya. To participate in this intellectual conference of education in all inclusive universal spirituality organized jointly by Chinmaya International Foundation, CFSS and Spiritual Heritage of Education Network SAIN. I heartily welcome all the foreign delegations belonging from Canada, USA and various other countries traveling half of the world to participate in this conference. My humble gratitude to the President Dr. Shivji Talwar Ji and Swan Talwar Ji, Spiritual Heritage of Education Network Institute, for selecting Chinmaya International Foundation for this event, which is very much in the line with the vision and dream of Gurudeva Swami Chinmayanand Ji of CIA. I welcome all the members and scholars from various backgrounds, religion and places gathered all together to share their thoughts on humanity and broad opinion about philosophy. This reminds me of the highlights of the great speech given by Swami Vivekananda in Chicago, like humanity is the best policy, unity in diversity, transforming human minds, globe as a single family, etc., etc., which correlates in the end that the aim of every human being is one and the same. I would like to welcome Swami Advayanand Ji, great scholar and Advaita Vedanta and President of Chinmaya International Foundation, in his willingness and great support through which this event is happening. Sometimes he acts like a teacher and sometimes father-like figure, showing this right path when we get deviated. I welcome Mahamaupadhyaya, Professor N.P. Unni Ji, a great scholar of Sanskrit literature, Tantra Architecture, Dramaturgy, who is former Vice Chancellor, Sri Shankaracharya Sanskrit University, Kaladi, now member of Sanskrit Board, Government of India, and Chairman of Chinmaya International Foundation, Shodh Samsthan. I would like to welcome Dr. Vinod Kumar Singh ji, Registrar, Rashtriya Sanskrit Sansthan, a well-known administrator, a biggest buddy of Sanskrit family, who has kindly given his consent to join with us today. Despite having a busy schedule, he recently joined the Sanskrit Sansthan family. Nevertheless, we hope he will go high and gain this goal by his able guidance and administration. I welcome Professor V.N. Jha ji, eminent scholar of Nyaya, Mimamsa, Vyakarana, and former director, Center for Advanced Sanskrit Studies, Pune, and the convener of this conference. He is a well-wisher and supporter of CFSS, and is instrumental in giving a proper form and guidance to this conference from the very beginning. I welcome all scholars, paper presenters, discussants, observers, guests, and once again I very warm and hearty welcome to all of you. Hari Om. Thank you.